Hello everyone and welcome back to AI Planet. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading much because last year was kind of busy for me, but today I'm gonna make a short video on how to export sliced PNGs. So let's get started. So first you wanna go to your folder and grab what you want to save. I'm gonna grab this HP, the SP, and the layout, and I'm gonna grab those HP, SP, XP, and layout. I'm gonna select every single folder just like this. I'm gonna right click on it and go up. You're gonna see export as, and here you see all of your UIs perfectly sliced. Then go to export, select the direction you want to export it in, go click here, select folder. Now everything has been exported. I'm gonna go and check my thing. Yeah, as you can see, here's everything exported, and now I can import it to Roblox Studio or basically wherever I want. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll try to upload as much as I can, and thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, and peace.